Elements of art. Lines and shapes. Lesson outline. Lines in art. Playing with line and shape. Shapes in art. Patterns in art. What are the elements of art? The elements are line, shape, color, tone, form, texture. Lines and shapes are all around us. Today, we will investigate how artists use lines and shapes in their art. Look around the room you're in. Can you spy the following? 1 curved line, 2 rectangles, 3 pair of parallel lines, 4 circle. Today we are learning to 1. Identify different types of lines. 2. Recognize that line and shape can be used to create emotion. 3. Identify and create basic shapes and patterns in art. Lines in art. A line is a path or mark on a page. Lines can help move our eyes around an artwork. The color, shape, and texture of a line can give us information. Different types of lines. Look carefully at these lines. What emotions can you associate with them? Straight, dotted, bold, fine, curved, wavy, cross-hatched, spiral, zigzag, painterly. Playing with line and shape. 1. With a pencil and a piece of paper, use a line to create shapes and meaning, just like an artist. 2. Look at your classmate. Now, without lifting your pencil off the paper, draw your friend's face. Let's recap. Line and shape are 2 of the elements of art. There are many different types of lines. These can be used to create different emotions. Repeated lines and shapes make patterns. Thanks for watching.